Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hey. Okay, so this is a get to know me video. So apparently some days ago I posted, it was just like I just fell into YouTube with full force. So I posted this video of me, well, I'll say barbing, not shaving, barbing my husband's hair, and the video went viral. Like, it went viral on Twitter, it went viral on Instagram, it went viral on WhatsApp. As in, different people were just posting it. Facebook, I think some people said they saw it on Facebook. And my friend, shout out to Princess Chikoko, who is also a YouTuber, called me before this video went viral when I posted it, and she saw it. She was like, "Oh, Solange, no, you have to do an intro video. Okay, so what are people going to think you're about? How will people know who you are and what you want to do?" Okay, so in my mind I was like, yes, I actually plan to do an introduction video or get to know me video, but like I was just waiting for that glorious video, like that video where angels will sing and then trumpets and drums will be rolling. I was just so done and over with waiting for that perfect introduction video, which I never got to do. You know, I just wanted to start, because really the first step is to start, and I know this. So I was like, you know, instead of waiting for that glorious hey intro and all that, I'm just going to post this video anyway. And then Princess came for me, like she came for me to say, "Nah, sis, you have to do an intro video." I was like, oh, intro video, is it not like so cliche and all? But then it actually did make sense, because yeah, now I get to tell you guys who I am, now that you have seen, or most likely have seen, that video. So that's not the only thing you have to know about me, okay? First things first, my name. My name is Chioma Solange Okoye. Solange. Dear Nigerians, it is not Solange, Slange. As in, like, I've heard the most. They've murdered my name. Like, you guys have people have finished my name anyway. Like, some clients actually call me and they're like, "Okay, sorry, before I go ahead, how do you pronounce your name?" Or something, I say, "Hello, am I speaking to Solange?" I'm like, "Oh, okay. Am I speaking to Solange? Am I speaking to Slange? Am I speaking to..." Oh my god, like, calm down, guys. It's Solange, okay? The most frequently asked question I get or I receive is that your real name? Did your parents name you that? Did your parents actually name you Solange? What's that name? Yes, Solange is my real name, and it means dignified. It's a French name. It's actually Saint Solange. Okay, so I think why people get that mixed up, or why people think it is not a real name, is because Beyonce's sister's name is Solange. You don't really hear people name their children Beyonce. So they think it's just a music name or a business name, like in my case. But it is actually a real name. It is Saint Solange. It's my Christian name, and let's keep it that way, okay? Let's move past that. We've cleared the air for my name, okay? Solange Okoye, that's me in this case. And I'm a beautician, so I'm a professional hairstylist and a professional makeup artist. I'm the creative director and CEO of Solange Hair and Beauty. It's a beauty salon in Abuja. It's currently located in Abuja. If you follow my Instagram page, the address is on our Instagram bio. It's in Wuse 2 Aminu Kano Crescent, KCT Plaza. Solange Hair and Beauty is a team of creative hairstylists and makeup artists. It's a beauty studio where you can come to get your hair done, your makeup done, your nails done, basically anything to beautify you. So we also do bridal hair. lace frontal braids, low bun, hair down, wraps and swirls, updo, traditional hair, avant-garde bridal hair, natural hair, chignon and bridal makeup, soft glam bride, pop of color bride, glowy bride, not a regular kind of bride, cut crease bride, smoky bride, daring bride. We do day-to-day hairstyling, frontals, natural hair, lace closures, everything hair, braids, twists, everything hair. We definitely would hook you up with the most amazing hairstyles and face paint, of course. After the lockdown, please, you guys, check us out, visit our studio. I'm very big on creativity, anything creative. I'm big on big hair, from exaggerated buns to avant-garde hairstyling, simple styling, double buns, using braiding extensions, also accessorizing, making the hair very beautiful and wearable and as creative as possible. There's turbans, from avant-garde turbans to simple kiddies turbans, turbans of unique shapes, sizes, colors, combination, turbans, exquisite, extravagant, elaborate, unique turbans that brings out the beauty of the African woman. I drape, I do a lot of drapings. A lot of my maternity shoots, I draped them myself. They're just fabrics that I put together. So we have the fully covered draping, open belly draping, monostrap, off-shoulder flowy draping, birthday drapings, and fancy drapings. So I'm a creative and I love creativity. So I've officially been in this business for about 6 years. I started officially in 2014, Solange Hair and Beauty. So that's the name of this YouTube channel. That's the name of my Instagram page. It's also the name of my TikTok, my email address. Just as described in the description box. I'm from Anambra State of Nigeria. I'm Nigerian. So I'm Igbo. I'm married to Chino Ejike Okoye, who is the CEO of Cafe La Roca Limited. They sell the most amazing meals. Check them out. Place your orders. They're delivering this period and every other period. So I'm a graduate. I studied economics in school. So I'm an economist. Okay? People ask me that question. So have you practiced economics since you're like, yes, economics is a way of life. I practice it every day, especially in my business, because I'm dealing with factors of production. I'm dealing with, land, labor, entrepreneur. I'm an entrepreneur, different things. So also try to apply my knowledge of economics in my business, also with the administrative side, the accounting side, and all that. So yes, I practice my economics. My economics did not go to waste. So about this channel, I always wanted to create this channel, but I just never had the time to. What is this channel about? What to expect from this channel? Beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and DIY. So under beauty, you have hair and makeup. Hair, we have natural hair, relaxed hair, wigs, frontals, how to do all those things. They will be coming as wide as my knowledge can. I'll be pouring out everything that my knowledge, everything that I know about, I'll be pouring them out here. Also for makeup tips, how to create looks, how to create certain things, how to do proper makeup, brows, lips, skin, everything about makeup, everything about hair. Fashion, I'm not so sure how I'm going to go about fashion, but I'm very sure in between you'd see maybe me trying out some clothes. In between, I'll bring in models. So you might see models. I'll be bringing models that are of different shades, shapes, sizes, and we'll be doing makeup tutorials on their different skin tones, also styling their hair differently. And also lifestyle could be my vlog, or maybe events, just putting together events. So basically there'll be some vloggings. I will also post some very fun things or random things that happen and I think I want to share. So I just think you should subscribe. Don't miss out on this. Don't miss out on this, please. It's going to be fun. It's going to be educative. It's going to be entertaining. I'm so sure you would get addicted. I'm just warning you now. you're likely to get addicted to this channel. Try me and see. Subscribe first and let's see how that goes. Be rest assured that the tutorials you'll be getting from this channel will be professional, top-notch tutorials, face beats, hair, fashion, lifestyle, fun, everything entertaining. So if you haven't seen my previous video, please go see it, like, comment, share to people. Also help me share this get to know me video. I'm a newbie, so you gotta treat me like a baby, like carry me like an egg. I'm actually an egg, so I'm a newbie, so treat me like one. Take care of me, handle me with care, please. Handle me with immense love. I know that all my subscribers will be spreading out love and light. Yes, love and light. Please take care of yourself. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't hit the subscribe button. Share to your loved ones, share to your family, to your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes, I always say that. So tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you so much for getting to know me. I hope you have known me at least for the most that I have said. If you have any more questions you want me to answer or you want to ask, please ask in the comment section below. Also, if you have ideas of what you want to see or things you want to see me create, please let me know in the comment section too. Words of encouragement in the comment section too is also advised, because you want to keep me encouraged. You don't want me to be like, okay, I put in all this work and they don't even appreciate it. It helps. We're human beings. Let's just be realistic. It actually helps. So thank you so much. I look forward to pumping you guys with the most amazing content. I look forward to becoming friends with all of you. Okay, let's spread positivity. Let's be safe. Let's take care of ourselves. Take care of your mental health. Take care of your mental health is very important. Okay, I think I'm talking too much. What else is there to say again? All right, subscribe again one more time. That's all for now. I mean, as time goes on, you guys will just keep finding out new and more things about me. We can't know everything about me in this video, okay? Let's take it one step at a time. Just allow me unravel myself naturally. Thank you. Stay tuned. Stay blessed. I love you all. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. See you soon.